Hey folks, a dense fog advisory in effect for all of the valley except Starr County. Visibility is a little better there, but you're looking at 1 to 2 miles across the eastern part of the valley and less than that in a few spots. Brownsville's at 2 miles. We're looking at about 3/4 of a mile, 8/10 of a mile. Port Isabel, Harlingen, and in Raymondville at the coast, visibility way down as well. So allow yourself some extra time to reach your late night destination tonight because the fog will be a problem. Cloud cover has been pretty thick across the area all day today, and that's probably not going to change until maybe midday tomorrow. A front's going to come in, or not a front rather, but warmer air is going to come in from the south. And when that happens, it'll break the clouds. The clouds break, temperatures warm up a little bit. We climb back in the 70s for the first time since Sunday. And then Thursday, same thing. We start with clouds, we end up with sunshine. We go forward to Friday, but wait, look what happens on Friday. This model, Future Track, says the front at least gets here. Does it go all the way through? Well, this is as far as the model goes out. Suggests that it's on top of us by 5 o'clock on Friday. Even if it does go through, the air behind it not expected to be dramatically colder, but maybe a little bit cooler. And that's if it goes through. The European model saying that's not going to happen at all. It's going to stall way to the north. We'll keep looking at it as we get closer. A little drizzle in the morning, but after that we dry out. Then we're dry on Thursday and Friday. Saturday will depend upon the front. Here's like the current temperatures in the 50s across the area right now, 56. You know, these numbers haven't changed since about noon today. They're holding steady still from where they were earlier today. And overnight, readings go up, not down. They just kind of climb 2 or 3 degrees during the nighttime hours with fog and drizzle. And then tomorrow, we start with the clouds, the fog, the drizzle early. It starts to burn off by mid-morning. By noon, the clouds start to thin out. The sky may brighten a little bit, and then temperatures warm into the 70s tomorrow afternoon. Normal high for this time of year, mid-February is 74. We should get just a little bit above that tomorrow, then 83, 86. Yep, back in the 80s for Thursday and Friday. Our brief bout with winter is about over. 46 right now in Dallas, 45 in Austin, 48 in San Antonio. A lot of clouds all across the state now, and Future Track shows the front that's about to move back through as a warm front. And when that happens, temperatures will warm up back in the 70s as you saw, and then 80s for the rest of the week. The next front on the map, this is the U.S. model. This is the NAM model, and it pushes the front down and then stalls it right on top of us, maybe a little north of us as well. So still a lot of debate within the models about whether or not that front's going to push all the way through. Even if it does, again, I don't know if it's going to be dramatically cooler, but maybe a little bit. In the bay, southeasterly winds about 5 to 10. The bay is smooth. UV index is low. Bay temperature is 58. You saw the surf temperature on the screen. So tonight, a low of 58 degrees, cloudy, drizzle, fog, and dense fog advisory in effect for all but Starr County. And then tomorrow, fog in the morning burns off. We get a little bit warmer, a high tomorrow of 76. Back to 83 on Thursday, 86 on Friday. Then Saturday and Sunday, you know, I should just put big question marks on those 2 days.
Up in the air.
It really is, because the front, the models are all over the place on this thing. You know, we showed you one model that pushes through. The local, the Future Track model pushes it through, but the European model says it doesn't even get close. So we're just going to have to kind of wait till we get a little closer to it. I know you have plans for the weekend. Everybody does.
Yes.
And that, whether it's 79 or 85 makes a difference. But fortunately, I don't think it's going to be in the 50s or anything like that, even if the front does go through.
The game changers if it rains, so.
That's true, and a couple showers are possible, but I don't think an all-day rain event, even if it does rain.
All right. Thanks so much, Tim. All right. And we're going to be right back. Joelle has basketball highlights. Stay with us.